Hey everybody, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets. Today we are doing an update to the penny challenge as I save my way towards $802. I am going to go ahead, dump this out and count it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with my count. So we have $1, $2, $3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7.29. I'm going to go ahead and put the change away. I feel like I should have more change and it might be floating around somewhere, but we'll just go with what we've got. So just stick this in here. Okay, so $7.29. I'm going to try and get you zoomed in to where you can see everything. That might be too much. Okay, we'll just go with that. 720. Okay, so we are starting at $3.04, so minus 3.04. I'm going to put this on here so I don't get any of the last stuff off on my hands. Okay, so minus 3.03. Okay. We're going to flip it over. And is 122 available? It is. Okay. That is everything for this week's penny challenge update. Scoot you back out. Thank you for being here. We're almost another row down. And we are only, what? Let me calculate that up. So 3 plus 3.01 plus 3.02. We are less than $10 away from being below $3. That is a milestone because it has been quite a while. We have been working on the threes. So thanks for being here and going along this savings journey with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye.